This is happening in Hakha, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. The 20th day of non-violence demonstration in Hakha. What we are seeing now is the scenes of the sit-in demonstrations in Hakha. It has been 26 days since the military coup has been announced. Believing that CDM is the most effective way to make the military back down, some youths in Hakha hold a sit-in protest before the Myanmar Economic Bank. The people urged the civil servants to reject working under the military and to join in the CDM, which is thought the face of civilian resistance against the military junta. While holding the sit-in protest, the injured from the military come out on the street and warn the protesters to disperse the group. He threatened, by your doing the sit-in demonstration in front of the bank users feel a disturbance a lot. So, as it is 10:30 now, I announce you to crack down the group in 30 minutes. Half of an hour. If you don't do this, we will act in accordance with the law to crack down the group. Soon after getting a warning from the military, the group of demonstrators grows bigger and bigger. Almost all of the youths in town are coming on the street to show their support to the demonstrators and to defy the military. The situation became intense. Some religious leaders and the elders of the town come up and negotiate with the police. Despite the negotiation, the policemen used water cannon against the non-violent protesters. Instead of holding back, the demonstrators call a rally at 2 in the evening and make the demonstration along Bucho Street to their destination, Carson Hall, to let the world know the desires, which are to relinquish power, to release attained leaders, to respect our votes, to attain federal democracy. We can see some stops from Ministry of Electricity and Energy, Myanmar Postal Department, Department of Agricultural Land Management and Statistics, General Administration Department, Department of Livestock Breeding and Veterinary, Chin State Hudo, Department of Municipality, Ministry of Social Welfare Relief and Resettlement, and youths from Blewat Township, Hakha University Student Union, and also firefighters, engineers, health workers, school teachers. Chanting slogans include, "Don't go to office, civil servants. Stay at home in peace. Don't go to work, civil servants. We, the public, will feed you. To topple the dictator, civil servants are the most important. Currently, we lost our leaders, we lost our safety, we lost internet, we lost our real voice, we lost our home, we lost our people, we lost human rights. It's time for the international community to invoke humanitarian intervention. Humanitarian intervention is urgently needed." This is happening in Hakha, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar.